Now, we understand you have mountains of legacy CAD data that you still need to maintain, reuse, and make revisions to as new projects come on. We also understand that you work with contractors and suppliers who use a variety of CAD tools. Your job is to aggregate this mess of different file formats into your CAD tool to get your job done. But when design changes are made to the original source files, you may as well just stop and redo all the work you have done. Well, that is simply not the case with Fusion 360. Not only does Fusion 360 have an enormous list of translators to work with any CAD tool out there, but you can reference in those files from other CAD tools such as Inventor, SolidWorks, STEP, IGES, and so much more associatively. When a design change is made from the other CAD tools, the files will update within Fusion 360 parametrically. But not only will your design update, but your rendering, simulations, animations, drawings, and CAM toolpaths will update associatively to reflect the design changes as well. Fusion 360 is essential to reduce rework when design changes are made from any CAD tool. Fusion 360 aggregates all the different file formats you work with, as well as extends your workflow to downstream processes.